Looking for a maintenance-free townhome with the look and feel of a single-family home? This open and spacious end unit in desirable Saddlewood is perfect for you. You will feel right at home in the huge 2-story family room that boasts floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace, beautiful hardwood floors and plenty of natural light from skylights. Formal living and dining rooms. Updated eat-in kitchen features oak cabinets, granite countertops, new appliances and allows access to serene deck. Main level also includes full bath and possible first-floor bedroom. The upper level offers 2 ample-sized bedrooms each with their own baths. Partially finished basement includes recreation room, additional bedroom and loads of storage. High-efficiency heat and air conditioner in 2011. Current owners hate to leave. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy.